Wonderful viewers, welcome again to Pedro Ifeanyi math class. Today we are going to look at a quadratic function for grade 11 students. So the question that we are solving today says that, find the values of m which makes the following quadratic function a perfect square. So this is the expression x squared plus 2 into m plus 1 x plus m plus 3. All right, solution. So let's quickly arrange the board. Solution. So you drop the expression x squared plus 2 into m plus 1 x plus m plus 3. So you go like this. The expression is a perfect square if b squared is equal to 4ac. So I'm going to explain this. So this expression, this function, can only be a perfect square if this expression is valid. All right, let's go. So the first thing now, comparing this as the given expression with ax plus bx plus c. This is a quadratic expression, a quadratic expression. So you compare with this. So in comparing, you find out that from here, a is equal to 1, the coefficient of x squared. So a here is equal to 1. Then this one, b, that is this one, is x. So b equal to 2m plus 1, all right? Then c is equal to m plus 3, all right? So what you now do, you substitute these values or this expression or these terms into this condition. B squared equals to 4ac. So the first one we got there is b squared. So you write down 2m plus 1 all squared, that is for b squared, equal to 4. A is 1, all right? Then c is m plus 3. All right, so you've arranged it. So you simplify this. So we have from this place. So let's first of all open up this. We have 2m plus 2 squared equal to 4 into m plus 3. All right, so we'll go step by step. So the next thing is to expand this place and expand here. So let's expand here. So in expanding this place, we have 2m plus 2 bracket 2m plus 2, right? So that is for this. Then here, let's just open up this one. 4m, 4 times 3, we'll have 12. So we've gotten this side. So let's open up here. 2m times 2m will give us 4m square. m square. 4, 2 times give you 4. Then 2m times 2 will give us 4m. 2 times 2m will give us 4m. 2 times 2 will give us 4, equal to 4m plus 12. All right. So let's see if anything can go. So let's arrange, or let's collect items, rearrange it. We have a 4m squared. 4m plus 4m, we have 8m, okay? Plus 4 equal to 4m plus 12. All right. So let's go this way. Let's continue here. All right, so let's now simplify this. So let's go. So here now you have 4 4m squared, okay, plus 8m. This 4m turned to this side will give you minus 4m, all right, plus 4 plus 2, minus 12, all right? So when 12 comes to this side, it becomes minus what? 12 equal to 0. So from this moment, so let's now simplify. 4m squared, 8m minus 4m will give us what? Give us plus 4m, all right? Getting it? Okay, here, so 4 minus 12 will give us what? Minus 8 equal to 0. So we have formed a quadratic equation. So what we do now is to simplify it. So 4, they've going through this will give us m squared plus m minus what? 2 equal to 0. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 8 divided by 4 is what? 2. All right. So it's now simplified. So let's quickly solve this one by factorization. So the two factors we just needed here is just what? 1 and 2. The factor of 2 is 1 and 2. So the two factors are 1 and 2. So which is simply 2 times minus 1. So 2 and minus 1. So quickly you have m squared. Here you have plus 2m minus m, that is 1m, minus 2 equal to 0. All right? So quickly here, what is common? M is common, we have m plus 2. So here what is common? Minus 1 is common. We have m plus 2 equal to 0. So quickly, we have m minus 1 bracket m plus 2 equal to 0. So this one will simply give us m minus 1 equal to 0 or m plus 2 equal to 0, right? So quickly we have that m minus n is equals to 1 or m equal to minus 2. So m is equals to 1 or minus 2. So the value that will make this expression a perfect square is 1 or minus 2. Thank you very much. I remain your host, Sir Pedro Ifeanyi. This is a Mathematics Academy where we explain maths to everyone that needs it. High school students, grade 7 to grade 12, and college students. So if you have any question, drop it at the comment section. See you on the next video. God bless you.